All right, I just got some new protein in. This is a protein called Naked Pea. This is a vegan protein made of nothing but premium pea protein, nothing to hide. And the reason why I got this, because most of the vegan, vegetarian proteins often have multiple ingredients, and I just wanted something that was pure, straight to the point, and so I decided to get this pure pea protein by Naked Protein. All right, so right here it shows how much protein it has in per serving, which is 27 grams of protein, which is about 54% of your daily recommended intake based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Right here, it takes up to 2 scoops, 30 grams to get that 27 grams of protein in here. And one thing that I wanted to look at were the carbohydrates and the sugars. Right here it says that there are only 2 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of sugar. All right, makes up 1% of the calories intake for the day. So on here, they recommend that I put this inside of a blender or mixer, some sort of mixer. They don't recommend that you put this inside of some water and stir it with a spoon, which I'm going to do, but I'm going to do that. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get around and just show you some. Here's the profile, amino acid profile, a pretty nice looking amino acid profile. Right here it says they have different flavors that can come with this, and some more literature about how this is certified vegan, yada, yada, yada. Let me go ahead and open this up and mix this together so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. So the safety packaging right there. Twist this up off. The cap came up. And here is another safety seal on top. It's a little tough. I'm going to take a spoon, backside of the spoon, and go ahead and peel this off. Let me see how it smells. It just smells like nothing, or I don't know what it really smells like. Powder, pea powder. It smells like pea powder, I guess. Whatever that's supposed to smell like. So I got the seal, safety seal, off for the most part. So now it's time for me to fish down in here the scoop. Oh, there it is, right down there. So I'm going to fish out the scoop with my spoon. And it says 2 scoops. I believe it says 2 scoops. Let me look on the side again. It says 2 scoops equal 30 grams. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do 2 scoops of this. I'm going to try to get the full serving of this. So I'm going to do 2 scoops, level it off. Then I'm going to put the scoop inside of my cup of water right here. Now they recommend you put it in a blender or some sort of shaker to mix this, but I don't have either one of those. So I'm going to do it with a spoon just to see how it goes. So I'm going to put 1 serving in there, and then close so you can see this. So it's in there, and you can see it doesn't look like it's mixing too well right away, but I'm just going to mix it a little bit. It's a little clumpy on the spoon. Just going to mix it for about another minute to see how well it goes. Mix it one more time. It's almost fully mixed. All right, so it looks fully mixed right there. So it looks to an even consistency without any clumps in there. I'm going to see how well it tastes. I wonder why they say don't mix it like this. All right, so I mixed it like this, and so I'm going to taste it. So that's what it looks like right there to see what it tastes like. I'll go ahead and taste it. It has a rather chalky flavor to it. Not too appealing, but it's the Naked Pea flavorless, so there is no flavor in it, extra flavor added. So It's going to be very bland. I suggest like mixing this with something. You can throw it in the shake with some strawberries or something, or whatever it is to flavor it up. But it is very bland, but I'm just drinking for the protein. So that was the unboxing and the first trial of the Naked Pea protein. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.